Hey guys, in this video I am going to review Gate.io. Gate.io is a platform for cryptocurrency traders. If you are a crypto trader and you are looking for a medium to buy or sell your tokens or coins, I recommend Gate.io to you. They are reliable and fast. In this video I will give you a walkthrough on how to use Gate.io. I will show you how to create your own account and how to verify your identity and how to set up your account security. After we have done all that, I will explain how to deposit money and crypto on Gate.io, how to withdraw crypto from Gate.io, how to actually buy and sell cryptocurrency. So now without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is go over to sign up, and then you want to decide which email address you would like to use to register your account, and then you have to decide on your password. And if you want to get a 20% fee discount, make sure to enter the referral ID 10071720. And once you have done that, you need to click on the checkbox to clarify that you are 18 years of age or older, and then you just want to click on next. Now before you can actually use your account, you will see that you have to activate your account. So to activate your Gate.io account, you need to go over to your email, and then you open up email and click on the link right here. You will then see that your account has been verified. And you will then have to log in into your account. You will then see the home page of Gate.io. And the second thing I will show you in today's video is how to verify your identity, also known as KYC registration. So you just need to go over to KYC now, or if you don't see this pop-up, you need to go over to this icon in the top right and click on KYC identification right here. You will then need to verify your identity. Now by clicking on individual verify now, or if you are an organization, click on verify now on the right. Now to complete your KYC registration, you just need to fill in your country, full name, and then the rest of the information right here. Now once you have gone through the process, your account will be verified. Now just to be clear, the reason I don't verify my account is because I have already got an account on which I am verified, and on Gate.io you can't verify two accounts to one identity. Now with that being clear, once you have actually verified yourself on Gate.io, the next thing you need to do is to improve your security. So you need to go over to security settings. By the way, you can go over to the right here, and you will then see that your current safety strength is too weak. So to increase your security, I will show you how to enable the two-step verification and how to connect your account to the Google Authenticator. Now you need to go over to login, two-step verification. Then you need to click on email code. So just click on send email code, then go over to your email and copy your code. You will now see that the login two-step verification has been enabled, and the same goes for the email setup login, which means that when you log in, you have to fill in your two-factor authentication code sent to your email. Now to connect the Google Authenticator, which means that when you log in, you have to fill in your two-factor authentication code sent to your email. Now to connect the Google Authenticator to your Gate.io account, you need to click on immediate binding, and then you need to click here. But before you do that, just a quick notice that TOTP code from the Google Authenticator is needed every time you use your Gateway.io account. Do not delete it on your Google Authenticator or uninstall the Authenticator from your device. Now with that being clear, just click here, and then you need to go over to your smartphone and open up either the App Store, or if you are using an Android device, the Play Store. You will then need to go over to search and search for the Google Authenticator. Now just make sure to install the app, and once you have done that, you need to open your Google Authenticator. Now what you need to do is to go over to the plus button in the bottom right and click on scan a QR code. You will then need to make sure that you are scanning the QR code visible on your computer screen right here. Or if that's not an option, click on enter a setup key and make sure to enter your key. It's not set up yet because when you scroll down, you will see that you need to fill in the 6-digit code generated in the Google Authenticator. However, I would recommend you first enter your fund password and your email code. Now once you have filled in your fund password and the email code, make sure to go over to the Google Authenticator and fill in your TOTP. And then you just click on enable two-factor authenticator, and you will then see that your two-factor authenticator has been connected, because when you go over to security verification, you will see that your current safety strength is medium now. You can also choose to enable the SMS setup, which is the same as the email verification. However, you will get another two-factor authentication code sent to your phone number, but if you want to, just click on immediate binding, fill in your information, click on send SMS, and then all you need to do is click on setup SMS. Now that your account security is set up, now I show you how to deposit crypto and how to withdraw crypto. So if you want to deposit money onto your Gate.io account, what you need to do is to go over to the wallet and click on deposit. You will then see a screen looking similar to this one, but before you decide which coin or which chain you would like to use to deposit crypto onto your account, you need to go over to another exchange. So the exchange you would like to withdraw from here you can choose the coin and select the chain you would like to use. You will see that using the TRC20 network is free. You can also scan this QR code to deposit crypto into your account. And if you would like to withdraw cryptocurrency from Gate.io, once again you need to go over to wallet again, click on withdrawal, and you will then see a page. You need to go over to coin, and then you need to select the cryptocurrency you would like to withdraw now. For example, I will be using BTC. And once you have selected the cryptocurrency, you will see all the chains available now. However, if you are not sure which chain to use, you need to go over to the other exchange, so the exchange you would like to transfer to, and paste the wallet address here and fill in the amount you would like to withdraw. Last thing you need to do is to fill in your email code and the two-factor authentication code generated in the Google Authenticator, and once you have done that, you just need to click on submit request. Now once you have got funds on your Gate.io account, it's likely you would like to buy or sell cryptocurrency. So the most common cryptocurrency that people use as kind of like the fiat cryptocurrency is USDT. It's a stable coin, and most of the pairs available on Gate.io are indeed USDT pairs. So to buy cryptocurrency, you need to go over to market, click on market price, and then you need to select the pair you would like to buy or trade. Then you need to go over to the search bar and search for the coin you would like to buy or sell. So let's say I would like to buy DOT. I will go ahead, fill in DOT, and then you will see all the spot, futures and EFT pairs available. So the first pair is the DOT USDT. It's also the pair I would like to trade. But below that, you will see that you can also buy DOT using Bitcoin. So click on the pair you would like to trade, and then you will be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. Now when you scroll down a bit, you will see the buy and the sell section. So if you would like to buy cryptocurrency, you need to go over to the buy section, fill in the price you would like to buy. You can also click on the drop down arrow and select the less price, 1%, 3% or 5%, and then you need to fill in the amount of DOT or any other cryptocurrency you would like to buy. You can also decide to click on 25, 50, 75 or 100% of your holdings, and then you just need to click on buy. And if you would like to sell your cryptocurrency, you need to go over to the sale section, fill in the price you would like to sell, If the price is higher than the current market price, your cryptocurrency won't be sold until the market price reaches the price you fill in. And if the market price does not go high, it won't be able to sell. So you just need to fill in the amount and then click on sell. Now if you have still got any question at all, or if I didn't explain something clearly, enough, please ask me in the comment section below so I can help you out. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.